In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram new Doodle feature not showing problem, Instagram new drawing update missing. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, tap on it, update in Instagram to latest version. Go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram, tap on it, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, clear storage. Now then delete. Now open your Instagram app. Now log into your account. Now tap on message icon. Now select any conversion. Now click on plus icon. You can see the draw option. Tap on it. Try it. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram new Doodle chat feature not showing problem on Instagram new drawing update missing problem.